Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Fatin, and today I am going to tell you a story about the Battle of Badr. As the crescent moon heralds the arrival of Ramadan, a time of reflection and peace, let's journey back through the sands of time to a momentous event that unfolded during this blessed month. This is not just any tale. It's the story of the Battle of Badr, a remarkable chapter in history, brimming with courage, faith, and the power of unity. In the year 624, under the vast starlit skies of Arabia, a pivotal moment was about to unfold. It was during Ramadan, a time when the air is filled with the spirit of kindness and prayer. In this special month, a small group of people, bound by their unwavering faith and their belief in justice, stood together in the face of overwhelming odds. This is the story of how they overcame adversity and achieved something extraordinary. In a land called Arabia, in a city named Medina, lived a group of people called Muslims. They were followers of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Muslims in Medina were peaceful and wished only to practice their religion freely. However, they faced many challenges and were often treated unfairly by the leaders of a city called Mecca. The Meccans did not like that the Muslims were gaining strength and followers. So, they decided to attack the Muslims to stop them. When the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam learned that the Meccan army was coming to attack, he knew that he had to protect his people. But there was a problem. The Muslim army was small, with only about 313 men. They had limited weapons and resources. The Meccan army, on the other hand, was much larger and stronger, with about 1,000 soldiers. It seemed like an impossible challenge for the Muslims. The night before the battle, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed earnestly for the safety and victory of his people. His faith in God was strong, and he inspired his followers to have faith too. On the day of the battle, the two armies met at a place called Badr. Despite being outnumbered, the Muslim army fought bravely. They believed that with faith and trust in God, anything was possible. The battle was fierce, and many brave Muslim warriors fought valiantly. You see, it was not just the 313 fighting for the Muslims. Above all, there was the hand of God which guided the way. In the end, the Muslim army, with their strong faith and unity, won the battle against all odds. It was a miraculous victory and a turning point for the Muslims. They showed that even in the face of great challenges, faith and determination can lead to success. But their compassion stretched further. The Muslims treated their prisoners of war fairly too, and ensured everyone was given their due rights. Badr is not just a story of a battle. It's a lesson about believing in the power of God, standing up for what is right, and the power of unity and faith. It reminds us that even the smallest group can overcome great challenges with the help of Allah the Almighty. As we observe Ramadan, let's remember the lessons of the Battle of Badr. Let's remember to have faith and to always believe that good can overcome the odds. Let us make this Ramadan a source of great blessings for us.